In the past, conventional heat pump systems were known for their poor efficiency and performance in cold weather temperatures, but that was then. This is today. Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating's revolutionary heat pump technology and our zoned comfort solutions can give everyone in your home total personalized comfort year-round, even in sub-zero temperatures. Here's how they work. Mitsubishi Electric's ultra-efficient heat pump systems consist of an indoor air handling unit and an outdoor condensing unit, which are connected via 2 refrigerant lines. Together, they work to efficiently transfer the desired cooling or heating energy to your personalized comfort zones. In summer, air conditioning is produced when heat energy from inside your home is absorbed by the system's refrigerant and transferred to the outdoor air. In winter, the refrigerant cycle is reversed, and the system extracts heat from the outdoor air and transfers it inside to heat your home. For those requiring high-performance heating in colder temperatures and climates, our expert engineers have developed hyperheating inverter technology. Our hyperheating outdoor units use an enhanced compressor design to continue extracting heat energy, even when the true outdoor temperature reaches down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. When compared to other fossil fuel burning heating systems, our modern heat pumps provide exceptional heating performance while being a greener, more environmentally friendly option for your home. All of this is possible due to our advanced variable speed inverter compressor technology, which results in our systems using up to 40% less energy than conventional systems. In addition, a single outdoor unit can control up to 8 indoor units for added comfort and efficiency, with multiple styles available for added versatility. Our indoor units also feature true air filtration for your home, resulting in improved air quality with whisper quiet operation, perfect for any home, even a baby's nursery. With Mitsubishi Electric zoned comfort solutions, room-by-room temperature control is at your fingertips. With temperature sensed at each of the indoor units, constant comfort is now a reality. With Mitsubishi Electric zoned comfort solutions, put your comfort in constant cruise control. Our industry-leading, variable speed, inverter-driven compressor steadily provides precise cooling and heating in each room or zone. Stop guzzling gas with yesterday's technology. Inside, many attractive and discreet indoor unit styles are available. These include wall-mounted, floor-mounted, ceiling recessed, and ducted options. Our advanced filtration is constantly cleaning the air directly in each room or zone. With removable, cleanable filters, a healthier home is within your reach. Clear up the air and make comfort personal.
So let's go first to heat pumps, the first part of HITS. This is the results for our heat pumps. The carbon footprint was almost cut in half by almost eliminating the use of our oil-powered furnace and replacing it with heat pumps. That took out about 3,000 gallons of heating oil that we were burning every year. That cut our carbon footprint almost in half by about 20 tons in total. It saved us almost $3,000 per year by no longer buying the heating oil, and this number is net of the additional electricity now used by the heat pump, so it's negative on the payments for heating oil, and it's positive for the payments for additional electricity. This is a net number. It costs us about $26,000 to buy the heat pumps and to install them. They will pay for themselves in about 9 years, and the return on investment, I told you as a finance guy, I did all these spreadsheet calculations for this. The return on investment is about 9%. That's 9% after tax, which I think is a pretty good return on investment. It's certainly much better than any investments I'm making today in the stock market or in bonds, and it's certainly far better than my 401k. So this is what our heat pumps look like. You're probably saying to yourself right now, gosh, they look just like my air conditioning units. And you're exactly right, they do. They're about 3-foot cubes. There's 2 of them, one for the upstairs, one for the downstairs. They replaced our AC units. Literally, physically, the old ones were carted away. The new ones were installed in their place. And electrically as well. They literally plug into the same breakers in the electrical service panel in our basement. So it really was a very easy task to install these AC units. We used the existing ductwork we already had for the AC in the summertime and the heat in the wintertime, because ours is a forced hot air and forced cool air heating and air conditioning system. So the heat pumps both heat the house in the winter and they cool the house in the summer exactly like your AC units do, but the heating in the winter is at 4 times the efficiency of a natural gas or a heating oil powered furnace. 4 times the efficiency, or 400% more efficient than heating with natural gas or propane or heating oil. They cool with the same efficiency as an AC unit. It's the heating that really has the benefit in terms of efficiency. So let me just try to explain this. People are often confused with how heat pumps work, which is not surprising because I learned about the physics of heat pumps in my physics degree. So it's not surprising that most people don't find this particularly easy. But a heat pump is basically the same thing as your refrigerator. Your refrigerator is a heat pump. It removes the heat from inside your refrigerator where you keep your milk, and it pumps the heat out to the air in your kitchen. So if you put your hand over your refrigerator or down the back of the refrigerator where those long, skinny metal pipes are, you'll find it's warm. That is the heat that was removed from your milk or your food inside your refrigerator, making it colder. That heat is pumped to the outside of the kitchen air. And you can see this little graphic here. On the left, you've got an illustration of the refrigerator with some heat being removed and spread out to the air in the kitchen. That makes the inside of the fridge cooler and the kitchen air surrounding it warmer. If you imagine the same thing on a larger scale, with the inside of the refrigerator now replaced by the inside of your house, then a heat pump will remove the heat from your house, just like a refrigerator removes the heat from your food, and dumps it outside. Now this time you're dumping it not into the kitchen, you're dumping it into the outside air, and that is exactly what happens with those heat pumps you just saw outside my house. During the summertime, they remove heat from the inside, pump it outside, and release it to the outside air. That cools the house in the summertime. If you reverse that circuit, you will do the opposite in the wintertime. And here now the house is cold in blue on the inside, and we are moving heat from outside the house to the inside of the house. That heat is removed from the outside air. Even if it's cold in wintertime, you can still remove the outside air by making that air colder outside, and then push that heat into the house, making the house warmer. So a heat pump is exactly like a refrigerator, except in the wintertime, bringing heat from the outside to the inside of your house. Now, just to prove that, you can see here a infrared thermometer, which I'm using to measure the heat, measure the temperature of the inlet side of my heat pumps. That's the left-hand picture, and you can see on the screen of the infrared thermometer, the temperature is 4.7 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very cold. You can see the snow on the ground. It was the middle of the winter day, and the ambient air temperature is 4.7 degrees Fahrenheit. On the right-hand side, you can see the infrared thermometer over the top of the heat pump, which is the exhaust side of the heat pump where the air is dispersed, and you can see it's minus 19.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It's incredibly cold. Even though it's a very cold day to start with, 4.7 degrees Fahrenheit, it's much colder on the exhaust side of the heat pump. It has removed the heat from the air, and that heat is now being pumped inside my house, making my house warmer. So this proves how heat pumps work in the wintertime to heat your house. For the details on which heat pumps we actually bought Bosch heat pumps for the whole of our house. We have a second house we own, which is a rental property, where we recently installed Mitsubishi heat pumps because that house did not have ductwork, and the mini split units, the ductless units, are very good if you don't have ductwork that already exists. If you do have ductwork, I would recommend going with the whole house type of heat pump that we did for our house. All the subsidies and the financing is detailed in Chapter 2 of Zero Carbon Home, which if you wait till the end of this presentation, I'll be giving you a coupon code to download a free copy of that book from my website.